On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we are going to drive this $500 BMW 5 Series. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Chair Go, and today, like I said, Brady is on his way, and we are about to reassemble everything on this 530i that he just picked up for only $500. And of course, we just put a transmission in it that cost $300, and we might spend a little bit more money today to wrap this thing up, but we're gonna drive an $800 5 Series, and I think it's going to be very nice. Obviously, we've got a lot of stuff to put back: exhaust, heat shields, just all kinds of stuff has to go back together. And this thing, I think it needs a battery too. The battery is completely shot from what I know. Of course, we could drive it on the jump pack, but it's a little bit sketchy. If it dies, you're just stranded out in the middle of nowhere. So we're gonna need some bolts for the exhaust because Brady did leave those at his old shop where he bought this thing. And I know you all saw that lifetime fluid tag on the transmission, and I think today we're gonna invalidate that. We might have to add some fluid. Plus, of course, we probably have to refill the radiator as well after flushing out the cooler lines. I'm guessing we're a quart low or something like that, and then we're not quite sure how low the new transmission is, but we're about to find out. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we are back with 300% Brady. And we have, well, Brady has finished putting in the new carrier bearing. Check it out. So it was actually easier to put this together than we expected, right?
Oh yeah, it just tapped off with a hammer.
Okay. So you
yeah, and then you just pressed it back on with a socket.
Nice.
It was so stupidly simple. But this is what's left of that.
Man, nothing left.
I think I ripped it off, like a little bit left.
Yeah, sure,
and they had just put on door panel sealant.
The comment said that's factory butyl rubber.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't put it back there, obviously, because why the heck would I?
At least it's got a lot in there.
I guess. Yeah, that's the first one of these I've ever done.
Really?
I've never done one before.
Crazy. Well, drive shaft's back in, and it's time for us to go get some fluid and some bolts, some M10 1.5 by 30 millimeter.
Because this
and some fluid.
This whole one's empty.
Yep.
Don't want to drive it yet.
And probably a battery.
And a battery.
All right.
Gotta get a battery.
Let's make a run to O'Reilly's and Atwood's. Obviously, Atwood's for bolts. I gotta preach to you guys like always. Atwood's is the only place you should be buying bolts. It's like 1/16 the cost of everywhere else on the planet. I know Ace Hardware has the special stuff sometimes, but if you need bulk fasteners, it's always Atwood. So let's go there right now. Go to O'Reilly's. Put that in the iron trailer.
I like it.
And then we'll have this BMW back on the road. All right, we are here at O'Reilly's. Let's get some transmission fluid and a super start. Get old Brady back on the road once and for all. We better get a platinum to make your car platinum again.
I hope so.
All right, Electron, good luck with that battery there. We've got our Max Life.
These things are way heavier than they look.
Way heavier. We're here with the farmers to drink our coffee and stand around. We got to get ready for the day, right?
Yeah.
Talk about our crops and pick up some bolts.
Oh, and the free popcorn.
Free popcorn for the win, actually. That with the coffee, free meal.
I can't think of a better way to start your day.
Oh, here you go, Brady. There's breakfast. My breakfast is right here, though.
Oh, yeah. See you at the dentist.
We have arrived in paradise. Metric. 10 by... Come on, 10 by 30. How'd we just skip to 35?
That's gonna be okay by me.
A little extra length never hurt.
No, never has.
Oh wait, you know where it is. It's in the back.
Oh.
If you want the 30s, feel free. If you want the 35s.
They're already in my hand, you know.
Right. Look at this. So each pound, you can have 17 of them. Yours really 15. 17 of them is a pound, and a pound is like $3. I was wrong. It was $6 a pound. The prices went up. They used to be $3 and $4 a pound
Yeah, I think they realized that
they were too cheap.
They're taking advantage.
Yeah. Here we go. It's transmission fill time. We are replacing. Oh, that's what the lifetime fluid means. You know how it says warning, lifetime fluid?
Yeah.
Max life. It just means
maximum life.
Yeah.
It's
now
clicking.
We've sorted out the BMW mystery here. Yeah. Wow, you heard it here first, folks. We have solved lifetime transmission fluid.
Never change it.
Honestly, you know, the Motul ATF also is completely universal, but this transmission fluid replaces basically everything on the planet. If you look at this, I just carry Max Life around now because it's good for everything there is. All the ZFs, all the VWs, even the crazy rare Nissan fluid, like this fluid replaces them all. And obviously replaces Mercon and Dextron. Oh!
Don't get hit in the face.
It also lubricates Brady.
Yeah, for me to bash my head on the arm of the post.
That's just a weird thing to say. I don't know what's going on here.
I don't want to know what you're thinking.
But this is the transmission fluid as far as I'm concerned now. It's the only thing you have to carry. Oh, you're full. We need to start it.
Now we start.
Start.
Maybe we'll get that plug.
You're gonna need a ladder too, so we can turn on the jump pack. You about ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the elevator up and fire up the battery for you.
Sweet.
Man, this thing's still completely dead. There it is. She's powered up. Here we go. First start, open header.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. Key didn't want to turn. Starts right up! Starts right up! Also completely out of gas. Needs the oil changed. She's mad. Can you guys believe 98,000 miles and $500? The lifter shut up. Listen. It sounds better. Wow, this is a heck of a deal on a car. It looks like the front temperature sensor's rolling. It says -40 Fahrenheit on the dash. And I can't wait to scan it. It also now says check side lights, so we got some markers burn out. Or possibly some mice got in there, one of the two. Well, this thing's humming along. Obviously, we need to get it to a gas station very quickly, but before we do that, let's see if we have any money to go to the gas station. Ah, the coin holder's empty. Anything else in here that's interesting? Just a lot of trash over here. We got the sign from the shop, as always. The fuse box and the glove compartment's pulled down. Maybe somebody was doing some troubleshooting. Oh, at least it closes. What's this? Hey, a classic right there. Brady, do you need the instructions for your car?
What's up?
You need the instructions for your car?
Is that seriously in there?
Which side do you want?
I'll take the heavy.
You're gonna take the heavy side?
I'll take the heavy.
Let's go. All right, man, it's buttoned up.
I love it.
We got the whole underside back together, full of fluid. The exhaust all bolted back up. All that new hardware over here. Looking good. So, let's... Ooh, that's gonna make noise. But what on earth does that attach to?
I don't know. I don't remember taking that off.
It's kind of hilarious. Like, it looks like it would be those two holes right there on the back of the transmission. But if it is, this has to be bent like insane.
I think I have a solution.
Insane. Just get rid of it.
Yep, I found a 13.
However that is supposed to attach, it does not fit.
Not anymore.
No, I think it's supposed to turn and be pushed all the way back into that corner, and then it sits flush. But man, you'd need a bend with the strength of 1,000 suns.
I ain't got that.
This exhaust has so many brackets on it. It's attached like every foot.
It's meant to be comfortable.
And now it's just time for a battery upgrade.
Let's get on with it.
Yeah, yank that thing out of there and let's get super starting. It's funny, that battery is absolutely tiny compared to the H8 that we just picked up. All right, if you're just tuning in, we're here to watch Brady's epic battle with this giant H8 battery, which is the correct battery, as a matter of fact, but because of the system wiring and all the other nonsense he has to fight, we get to watch an extended cut of the battle.
I'm gonna try and shorten this as much as possible.
Are you?
Like this.
Good.
Like that.
I've done this a time or three.
Good thing this thing's solid metal.
Yeah. Wouldn't have done that on something that wasn't.
Yeah, this is from a period of different cars. Hey,
Look at that.
she's lit up.
She's back under her own power.
Well, Brady won the battery battle of 2024 very quickly. He is putting the battery hold down on, and I am coming up here, well, I was going to start it, but we're gonna need a key. It's in the trunk. I'm pretty excited for this. I hope you guys are too. This thing should be dead quiet now. Obviously, it was pretty quiet, even open header. Here we go. Woo! Listen to that thing purr!
Good Lord.
Wow! Man, what a car! Oh, you have to love the light pipes in these taillights. They're beautiful! This is a good car.
I love it.
I'm just here to finish the project for you.
Oh, please do. Oh,
Done.
thank you.
Done.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Did you show them the ski bag model?
Oh yeah, we did talk about the modified.
Oh no, this thing.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It
3
shows
golf
you.
clubs, of course.
Yeah.
I love how we wait until now to see if the transmission works.
Right?
You're doing pretty good. All right, hey, you'll want to get out, do one of these forward, like that. Man, it turns out that kid actually was just putting a manual transmission in one of these and had a good transmission. Who knew?
Nice. Thanks to that kid.
Yep.
I can do this for cheap.
Cheap. Those are some flat spotted tires.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's try the. Yeah, look at all the dirt.
I hated it.
I knew that was coming.
Oh.
Should we just spray it?
She empty.
She's empty. Oh, you finally getting all the trash off of there.
Sweet.
All right. At least the wiper blades are good too. They're not scratching anything.
They
So
probably need replaced though.
we are headed to get some gas since it's completely out. I'm gonna help clean out this napkin stash you got.
Please do.
I mean, I love having a napkin stash, but this is too many napkins.
Yeah.
What's-
I agree.
what's
Right
this?
there at the back too.
Crizol.
Unlocked.
Oh, I'll leave you this
Ooh.
microfiber.
Very nice.
Yeah, you gotta have that.
Oh, you want to see what groceries
Oh,
cost?
can't throw that away.
Yeah, I'd like to keep that one.
Definitely keep that one. Here we go. Your car is fixed.
Love it.
Well, it's tough to see in the sun, but the car thinks the door's open, and DSC still has an error, but everything else is looking pretty good here.
Love it.
Yeah, this is smooth. I was gonna say, does the AC work, but you don't have a climate control.
No, unfortunately not.
What are you gonna do in the winter? You have,
Luckily, it is set to heat, I think.
yeah, and
I
you
can have that fine tuning knob.
you do, and you have heated seats,
That's
which is
fair.
always a nice touch.
Gotta have it.
That's pretty funny. All right. Well, this is a nice car.
Love it.
It's a lot of hard to beat this much car for $800 and whatever else we spent. Well, we are almost back to the shop. We are gonna go ahead and clear the code, see if we can get that check engine light turned off too. It does have a service engine soon light that has always been on. Love to know what it is, but other than that, a lot of car for $800.
A lot of car. And the steering wheel warmer works.
Oh, you got the steering wheel heat on?
It works great.
Love it.
I can't think of a better car for $800.
Nope. Well, we spent like $300 at O'Reilly's,
That's
so
fair.
$1,100.
I will go
but
$1,100.
it's still one very cheap 5 Series.
Yes.
Well, we cleared the codes and the BMW is rocking. Obviously, it's not back. It's already back. It's already back. It was the MAF because we have no idea where the MAF connector is. Like we showed in the first video, it's just missing.
It's like a different connector, or I don't know if I yanked that from a different car.
And put that, but it
Just so
fits perfectly.
Yeah.
Which has me really wondering if mice chewed off your MAF connector.
Possibly. Well, I was
So.
looking around. That is, it looks like an E46 connector.
It does.
So I might just see if I can't just buy a new pigtail and just clip it in and
or
make it
change
work.
or change MAFs.
Or change the
That's actually a lot easier than cutting up a factory
well, it
harness.
depends if that is an actual one and it just has an odd build.
Yeah,
but
it
I
could.
don't know.
Well,
find out.
all we know is it drives really well. And
Nice.
Brady's taking this thing to work.
I am.
Good luck with your now $1,100
I know. Look on Facebook Marketplace for $15,000.
Sorry. This costs $15,000. You can buy it today.
Yep, it's gold-plated interior. It's very nice.
All right.
Get your own today.
Well, we're down one. I mean, you got a few little tie-up things, like take my battery core back to O'Reilly's.
That's all right. I can definitely drop that off.
All right, bro.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
This is a long time coming, and I'm very happy to see it finally come to fruition.
Yeah, it's a really cool car, honestly. So, good luck with your drive to work. And I am hopping in the truck right now to get to SEMA.
Hey, have fun.
I'll be at SEMA in 3 hours, so this is probably as car as it gets. Finish building cheap BMW and go straight to SEMA to look at.
We should drive this thing down there. Right?
Well, yeah, I don't want to make that drive. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjrgo.com for cool shirts just like this. YouTube thinks you'd like to watch one of these videos next. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. All right, man. I'm loving it.
I am too. I definitely need to get new tires. Going down that road, it's definitely flat spotted.
Oh, they're so flat spotted.
Yeah.
We could really feel that. That was the only thing.
Yeah.
But I think if you just drive it, just go drive
warm
it
up
for
them
like,
tires.
drive it for like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And maybe an hour, I think you'll be okay.
Just drive Newton and back.
Yep.
That'll be nice.
Yeah, go get the original bolts for the exhaust now that I replaced them with Corvette bolts.
Heck yeah. Oh, that's the next thing.
It's a good thing it's all metric.
Yeah.
Oh, the Corvette. We got to get the Corvette.
Yeah, Corvette.
But
and
we're not going to talk about the Corvette. That's the first rule of Corvette Club.
Yeah, absolutely. We don't talk about that.
We
I
don't
was thinking LS next.
Oh, yeah. Put an LS in this.
Heck yeah.
Let's not. I actually like this car. It's really nice. Oh, and your passenger window.
Oh, yeah. We'll put some Dawn dish soap down there, lube her up.
Good luck.
Yeesh.
Good luck. All right, man.
I'm out of here, man.
I will see you later.
Have a good one.
I got flights to catch.
You do that.
Oh my gosh. We're not shooting for a minute.
Oh, it freeze up?
Look at her.
Oh my gosh.
We got that fog.
Get my good angle.
That fog. Actually, if we shoot the whole video like this, no one will know what happened.